So you've finally done it. You've worked 40 plus years and you've amassed enough money to live a comfortable retirement life. But then it struck you. You never planned for retirement. You were out there partying and not watching Cash Curious videos, so you have no money left to enjoy it. So you should have watched this video. See, let's rewind. The average age of a retiree in the United States is about 64 years, and let's say you're about 40. It's a good time to start planning. So let's get right into it. On the surface level of planning for retirement, you can use the rule. It's like CC from pizza. Anyways, let's get into the first S, or retirement goals. Just saving money won't get you anywhere if you don't know what your goals are during retirement. Basically, determine the lifestyle you want to live in retirement along with other financial decisions. It's never late to buy some real estate. Simply, if you want to be sipping some family-friendly drinks in the Bahamas, you should probably contribute more to saving money for retirement. Second, the E. The E in SECE stands for estimating your retirement expenses. Such expenses could be things such as basic living costs, the things such as traveling. You need to know your expenses to understand how much to save. Third, the C. Create a retirement budget. Yes, I know, you can't just use all your money when you're retired. The budget needs to outline the projected income you'll earn throughout the period before retirement, overall expenses, and savings. In fact, many have cash flow coming in during retirement. Remember when I mentioned real estate? Well, during retirement, it may be a good idea to buy a multi-floor property to live in and rent it out to others as well. In that case, you always have extra cash on hand. Lastly, the second E, or early saving. It's not too late to start saving for retirement. If you work as an employee, you should use your employer-sponsored plans such as the 401k. Individually, consider opening an IRA or a Roth IRA. You'll see those in the next video. See, CC makes sense, but how do you actually save for retirement? Well, let's talk about contributions. Going back to IRAs or individual retirement accounts, it's good to contribute a specific amount to them every month. If you want to learn more about these so-called IRAs, stick around for the next video. Until then, I hope you learned something today.